My name is Julie. I'm from Wilmington, Delaware, born and raised here, grew up here, live locally now. I actually have been coming to Paul Campanella's Auto Tire Center for probably about 15 years. I think it's important to know, and trust the people that are working on your vehicle. As a woman, sometimes I can feel, uncomfortable trusting a place, with your vehicle. And here I feel the family-oriented, type friendly environment that I can come and know that I'm gonna get good service. I definitely find convenience in the fact that I can, drop off my car at my convenience and get a shuttle if needed for the day, or I've had the techs come and pick up my vehicle at the Kennett Square shop, and they're able to pick up the car, get it serviced, and then drop it off at my place of work before I'm ready to go home. And at the end of the day, I want to know that my vehicle is in good hands, but as the customer, I am also in good hands, and I totally feel that I found that here at Paul Campanella's. And we are able to service our cars here at the Wilmington location where I live, and then also at my place of work in the Kennett Square location.